just been living online. My city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in. I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I'm gonna be doing my boyfriend chooses my makeup look. This is a part 2. I did part 1. I'll be linking it down below in the description box. This look is the picture my boyfriend sent me, and I'm gonna be doing that for today. So I hope you guys stay tuned and see how this thing goes. And yeah, if you like to see how I recreate that look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette for this look. Like, don't even be surprised because I always use it, but I'm gonna go in with that brown shade right there. I'll be listing the names of the brushes and the shadows on the side of the screen so you guys know what I'm using. But yeah, I'm gonna be placing this all over the eyelid like always. This is my transition color. This one's a little bit too dark, but I don't know, it just looks so good. So I'm just gonna be placing this like once, twice, or even 3 times just to get that bomb ass pigment. I'm gonna go in with this blending brush right here, and I'm gonna just be blending out my transition. You always want to blend every eyeshadow you place on your eyes, so that's my key right there, so it actually looks very good at the end. I'm gonna be grabbing this like burgundy red toned, like it's called Roxanne, and it's just to darken up my crease. So I'm just gonna be placing this in my crease and just doing wiper motions and just kind of be building it up. Once I have built it, you know, you want to go in with the blending brush one more time and just kind of make sure everything is blended. This step is always recommended, so always blend. It's the key to success. I'm gonna be using this Pore Concealer by LA Girl in shade Porcelain. This is like the lightest shade they have, and I'm just gonna be cutting my crease all the way out. I kind of go in with a clean brush and just kind of pat it so it just looks a little bit nicer and clean. Then I like to go in with a white shade and set it. So I'm using this white shade from the Tartelette and Bloom palette in the shade Charmer. You guys can use any white shade. It doesn't really have to be the one I'm using in this video. Now I'm gonna be using this beautiful color right here. It's called Pool Party, and I'm gonna just be spraying my brush so it could get a little bit more pigmented, you know, because when you wet your brush you get way more pigment. So this is why I wet it, and then I'm just gonna be placing this all over the eyelid. Then I'm going to be grabbing Roxanne and just be placing this on the waterline just to kind of make the look a little bit better. You know, it just gives it that little effect. And I also added Pool Party to the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going in with Bean, and I'm just going to be placing this in the inner corner of my eye just to like make it a little bit of pop. This with this Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be doing my eyeliner. With this Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm just grabbing like a flat brush, and I'm gonna just be placing this in the brow just to like make it a little bit more poppin', you know, because on the picture she had like some very poppin' ass highlight. With this Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner, I did my waterline, and then I'm gonna just apply some lashes. The Better Than Sex mascara, and I just apply this to the top of my brows and then to the bottom. I was baking right here, so I'm just taking off the powder from what I was baking. And I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and just spray this all over my face and just fan it out. It just everything to melt in my skin. It just looks way better. Then I'm gonna go in with the Becca Champagne Pop once again and just grab a lot of it because I love highlight. It's like so pretty, like very pretty. Just place this on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, like in the inner corner of my eyes, my brow, just everywhere, like literally everywhere. I love highlights so much. Like look at the highlight. Yes, bitch, yes. I like to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm using this one right here, and I just like to blend everything together. Then I go in with a wipe and just kind of take the foundation off my lips because I did have some foundation on there. Then I'm gonna go in with this NYX lingerie, and it's called Carbon Show, I think, and I'm just gonna be placing this all over the lips. Going in with my fave, you already know, Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and just kind of like put it on top of the other one, so it kind of has like a little bit more like glow to it. And going in with the Smashbox primer water and just be spraying this all over my face. And you know, you want to fan it out because it dries faster, and also you don't get any water spots on your face, so it just looks better.
Like I talk it, walk it 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 like I.
You gon' turn me in the left eye. I don't want to hear about invasion of privacy. I had a feeling it turns out you lie to me. I'm holding back everything that's a.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me if you guys watched it to the end. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a little red button that says subscribe. Shout out to my boyfriend once again for getting me this bomb look. I really love it.